Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Imagine living a life of energy, confidence, and purpose. At Elite Health Transformations, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Your journey starts with building a strong foundation. Our expertly crafted exercise plans are designed to boost strength, improve agility, and elevate your fitness game. Food fuels your transformation. At Elite Health Transformations, we offer practical nutrition tips and supplement guides to keep you energized and focused. True transformation goes beyond physical fitness. Balance your mind and body with our wellness strategies for long-term success. Thousands are transforming their lives. Why not you? Join the movement and take the first step to becoming the best version of yourself. Your journey starts here. Don't wait to transform your health and your life. Visit Elite Health Transformations today and take control of your future.